Hi friends, let's indulge into these eggless chocolate cookies and feel the chocolate explosion with every bite. They are crunchy from outside and soft and chewy from inside. These cookies are buttery, chocolatey and with the right amount of sweetness. This recipe works just fine. These cookies are loved not only by kids but also grown-ups. So let's get started. Here are the ingredients: 120 grams all-purpose flour, 100 grams soft butter, then we have 35 grams powdered brown sugar, 55 grams white sugar, and half teaspoon baking soda, 1 teaspoon vanilla essence, 1/4 cup choco chunks, pinch of salt, and some more choco chips for topping. In a mixing bowl, take the butter. This butter should be at room temperature. It should be soft. Add the sugars to it, that is the powdered white sugar and the brown sugar. That also has to be powdered. With a spatula, just mix the sugars into the butter and thereafter beat it lightly with a wire whisk or an electric beater. Beat the butter and sugars till creamy and fluffy. Gradually you will see the change coming. It's getting creamier now. With the help of a spatula, we can scrape off the sides so that we get a homogeneous mixture. The mixture is becoming smooth. Now we are nearly done. Now time to mix in the dry ingredients: all-purpose flour, baking soda, salt. All these have to be sieved first. There we are through with our sieving. We will add the vanilla essence and then mix everything together. You may mix with an electric beater. Well, I have used the spatula. Mix it gently. Do not overmix. It shouldn't be as if you're kneading. It's just a mixing of the flours with the sugar and butter. Now the dough is ready. Incorporate the choco chips or the choco chunks. Here you can add more or less depending on your preferences. Children would always be happy with more of the choco chunks. The cookie dough is now ready. Now we have to make the cookie balls. For that we have to line a baking tray with parchment paper. Form balls of equal size and place them keeping some distance between them. You can top them with more choco chips. Now you will keep these cookie balls in the fridge for about 20 minutes once you have topped them with more choco chips. And after 20 minutes you will bake them in a preheated oven. These cookies have to be baked for 10 minutes at 160 degrees Celsius and thereafter have to be grilled for around 1 or 2 minutes. Grilling helps to bring a brownish top. You will get flat Café Style cookies. Initially, these cookies are soft but will become crispier on cooling. If you really want crispier cookies, you can bake them for a minute or two more. These cookies stay good for a week if stored properly. Aren't these cookies tempting? Just can't wait to take a bite. Friends, hope you enjoyed seeing this video. Thank you for watching. Do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Stay tuned for more videos. Till then, goodbye.